Hey guys, welcome to Chapter 4, Lesson 3, where we will learn how to assemble our scene and create an actual story for our animation. As you can see, I have already finished tracing the gift icon. I labeled my gift layers yellow and my scroll layers blue. Do the same to keep your layers organized and easy to follow. We will trim these layers and drag them to the part where they will be animated with the help of our marker. The scroll animation will run from the beginning up to the second mark. I'm just going to adjust this in the center. The gift animation will serve as our third and last animation sequence at this part, since this is the appropriate animation for that. And now we're left with our second animation assets to work on. For the second animation, we can simply type a question mark to symbolize mystery, and I'm using a Tahoma font of around 590 px. Then we can adjust the length of the layer as well to fit the animation sequence. Now, you have a storyboard ready to be animated for our next chapter. See you at the next lesson.